our meeting. Okay, and let's try it from first step. I will open QA team 1. And in Asana, we have three boards. Test product QA, fix finded bugs, and test mobile application. And let's starting from scratch. I will use my own phone and we'll try to call to our system. I think you can hear it.
Welcome to Heart Voices. Say 1 or type 1 to get information about service. Say 2 or type 2 to use service.
2.
Say 1 or type 1 to get information about service. Say 2 or type 2 to use service.
2.
Say 1 or type 1
Oh.
to get information about service. Say 2 or type 2 to use service.
2.
Say 1 or type 1 to get information.
Okay, it doesn't work.
Say 2 or.
I tried to type 2. It's interesting
Say
because
1 or type 1 to
whoa.
get information about service. Say 2 or type 2 to use service.
I try again. I type 2.
Okay, let's do something.
Okay, I just stop my process because we already have a bug, because I tried to say 2. You heard that I tried to say 2 3 times and it doesn't work. And it's really interesting because I tried to do it maybe 30 minutes ago and it worked great, but now something wrong. What I do next, I open fix founded bugs. I type plus and create new box. For example, choose 2, doesn't work. Then I open it in a full screen. I type it and it opens in the right of my screen. You can see it in a full screen. I will assign it to Alex because right now he is our main developer and he is main person who manage these tasks between different developers. Due date, I will not use it because of course I can use it. I can indicate it like due date today, for example, because it's really important, because it's our first choice and our system doesn't work from first step. It's a worse situation. But I know that then he will fix it today. And that's why I don't use the due date, but we can use it as well. For example, not today, but it will be tomorrow. Tomorrow, okay. And I will create a description. I will add all my steps, how my developer can to reproduce this box. And I started from first step. Call to our number 650-9999-917. Second step, say 2. And that's all. We have not add something else because in first step, our system just crashed. I don't know why it happened, but our say2 doesn't work. And I add expected result. my expected.
Lina,
Yep.
Lina, excuse me. Should we see your screen right now?
Yes.
Whatever you're typing.
Yes, you have to see. You didn't see my screen?
Uh-uh.
Oh my God. Oh, guys, sorry.
Maybe
Stop.
maybe it's only me. Maybe it's gonna be visible on recording. I'm not sure.
Now you see it.
Yeah.
Oh my
Yeah.
God. Guys, please sorry me.
It's
Olga,
okay. It's okay.
Olga, thank you so much that you said me, but okay, I will start from scratch. Okay, we open our fix founded box. Sorry guys again about the situation.
It's okay. I just had a call, so I didn't had a chance to
Oh,
tell you earlier. I'm sorry. I should have.
okay.
I
Anyway,
just
thank you.
finished my call and I saw that it's not there. So yeah, it's okay.
Thank you. And we type plus for create new tasks. And we create just a name for our box. Choose to, doesn't work. Okay, type enter and this is created. Then I type to my new bug report and it opens on a, yep, it's better, on the right of our screen. And I will assign it to Alex. I can type a due date, for example, for tomorrow. And in description, I add my steps to reproduce. First steps, it's oh my God. Call to our number 17. And second step, it works automatically. Say to, and that's all. We haven't any other step because our system was crashed from first steps. And then we edit our expected result. Of course, Alex know how it have to work, but if this bug will fix someone new team member in our developer team, will better if we will to add expected result because not everyone know how it have to works, and our developers, of course, have to understand which expected result we have. Expected result. When we say to our system, up, moving us to action flow. Because in our system, we have two flows. It's information flow and action flow. Information flow, when we choose any numbers and we just can hear about our product, how client can use our product and which services they can be provided from our product. And second flow, it's action flow, when our client can to collect the health metric, can to use our search, can call with friend, with operator, and so on, so on. And our system moving to action flow and actual result, which result we already have. Actual result, system, I'm misspelling, system. I think it will be better if I can say that system crash because my phone still work when I say to. There's just system do not recognize, choose to. Doesn't it? Yep. Sorry for my English. It's one of my huge issue. The system, of course, great. I like this automation system. And our system doesn't recognize choose to. And we can do and repeat first message again and again. Repeats the, yeah, I know it, the first message. Great. It was great. Yep. And now I think it will be really understandable for our any members of developer team, because what did this word? Yeah. Now it's better. And I do not need to add anything else so about my steps to reproduce or actual and expected result. I can add, and it will be better if I will add information how I tested it and from which devices I called. And I can add I tested from Android, Samsung, 10 plus, I believe it 10 plus. Okay, and our developer will understand which system doesn't work. Maybe right now it will not work on iPhone as well. I don't know. I haven't any other gadget right now with me, but on Android it doesn't work. And in general picture, it will be enough for fixed these bugs. If we will call, for example, from Skype or from any other online system, we have to add this information as well, because it's different systems and it works every time in a different way. And that's all. I will not add any other additional information, and I haven't any button just create or something like create or submit or something else. It's already works and it's already saved here, and Alex will see immediately on that second when I assign this task for him. He will see this new task immediately on his email and on his Asana as well, of course. And when he will take this task for fixed these bugs, he will move it in the progress. And you always can see in the progress your bug report or no. And if he will complete, of course, he will to move it in complete, and he will make a comment here for me. For example, if I created this bug, and he will see who created it. For me, that Lina, all fixed, try to reproduce it again. And I can use it in a progress and try to reproduce it again. And if I will see that all fixed, that's great. I can move it to complete, and we can forget about this issue. But if no, it will stay in a progress. Now I will leave it here to do for Alex, because it's a horrible situation that our voice recognition doesn't work right now. And for task, it will be enough. And every your bug report, when you find something, please, I recommend that create your bug report and fix founded bugs. Because when I told before, when you just have any tasks and just add some comments in tasks and leave it in to-do board or in a progress, and add comments with your bug report into your tasks, not every time we can see that, because we have 200 people and we have a lot of, I just can't show you, I have a lot of teams like admin of Asana. I have 2 QA team. I have 8 developers team, product team. I have marketing team, and my own board as well. And we have a lot of comments, and it just we are people, and I just can skip something, and I am every time worried about this. Maybe someone finds something important, and I just skip it, and I just can see it, and it's really difficult. But when we have a fixed founded bugs board, we always can open it, and we will see all bug reports here. And in this board, we can skip any bug report, and we always will see how long it was created, from which date, from May 26, and who created it, and how important this. If I add due date for tomorrow, of course Alex will understand that it's very important box and something wrong with our system. And I think it's a good example. And if you have a question how to create something or which information we have to add, please ask me again. And you can ask me at any time when it's better for you. And we have in our useful links, we have example of bug report. It looks absolutely similar. Name of bug report, description, and steps to reproduce, expected and actual result. It's a main information which we must to add to our bug report, because for our developers very difficult to understand which result you expected if they don't know how it have to works. And we have a huge file which was created from one of our team members, Yelena. It's a great file, and she added a lot of information how we have to test our how we have to test our IVR system. And it will be very similar for our next tasks, when we will have a prototype of our mobile application or web application as well. All requirements will be the same. And recommendation for testing, it's information here, and test cases only for new phone, for new user, it's here. And you always can to I try to find this health metrics. No, on users. Yeah, here. You always can to open our file with saved data, and you can just delete your phone number. Just here. You can just delete your phone number, and if you will call again for our system, it will be from scratch, and you can start testing our system from scratch. And you will see, you will hear that system will ask you again, who are you, volunteer or our client? And you will have the choice. Who are you? You can say client, for example, just for testing, and you can say volunteer. But if you will say client, please, if it works, great. And if you haven't any bugs on this step, please just delete your information about client, because for us, if you will not delete this information, for us it will be a red flag that client already call us, and we will check this information in more detail, because we still have a lot of issue in our IVR, and we worried that if some client will call us, and on which step they will stop to work with our system. They will, maybe they from first step will save the health metric, I don't know, or will try to call someone. It's very important for us now. And if you will choose a client, just then delete this information. If you will choose a volunteer, it's okay, absolutely. You can leave this information about your volunteer. And you always will see your saved data in this field. And if you want to check something one more time, for example, you leave your information about date of birth. If you want to check this again, just delete this information in this file, call again, and try to save maybe another maybe another with another data. Why I type it? Okay. Do you have any other question? Because maybe I'm not a good teacher. No, maybe I explain something difficult or some information which very easy for me right now because I created it and I know how it works. Maybe not easy to understand for you. Please be free to ask me any question. Yelena, do you have a question?
No.
Okay, and you haven't any question about precise about your task?
No, I don't have a question. I don't have a question.
Okay, Elena, thank you so much. Okay, guys, thank you so much for your time. If you haven't question, we finished our meeting today, and please, at any time, if you have something maybe not related with our product, maybe your personal information, something about your vision of our product, I don't know, new ideas, maybe you want to try yourself in a different team, for example, like a marketers, work with, you want to work in part for our branding or something else. So please always be free to send me this information, and we always open to new collaboration, you know, because we still have a lot of tasks in marketers and branding, and we still have not anyone who want to help us with post in our social pages. It's not a difficult work, but you know, it's a time to find some interesting information for our clients and add this information for our social pages and spread this information between our connections. And if you want to do something else, so not only test our system, please be free to send me this information, and I will be very very glad to help you. And because believe me, we have a lot of tasks in different sphere. And if you haven't any question, let's say bye to let's say bye-bye. And I wish you great weekend. And thank you so much for your time, and thank you for joining our team.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
You too.
thank you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.
Bye.